It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Saturday, the 18th of November. I'm Michael Groff. We've got some rain showers out there this morning as advertised. Mostly light rain, but we have seen some embedded moderate to heavy showers, even a rumble of thunder or two, and that will continue through the morning hours. We'll still keep the chance of rain in the forecast this afternoon, but decreasing overnight, and by tomorrow, things look to start to dry out. Now, what about the week ahead and that Thanksgiving forecast? We're getting closer and closer, so we'll talk about that and everything else as we dive on in. First, here's that almanac from yesterday. 82 degrees the afternoon high, 62 was the morning low. No rain in the bucket officially yesterday, but we have had some this morning at Sky Harbor, at least a few hundredths of an inch. Average temperatures for this time of year, 76 and 53. And as we take a look outside right now here at this insanely early hour of 4:45 a.m., we've got cloudy skies, some light rain coming down in spots around the valley. And we're at 66 degrees officially at the airport, dew point 61, humidity 83%. Winds light, barometer is falling. Checking the radar right now, you can see some rain around the area. Got another batch coming into the southwest valley. It's raining across northern Maricopa County just to the east. And so this is all basically moving southwest to northeast. And so we'll continue to see some showers and embedded thunderstorms through the morning hours before things start to calm down later. The upper air weather pattern across the nation shows this trough coming into the western states. Now, while the main area of low pressure is going to pass to the north of us, still enough dynamic support around to keep those showers and isolated thunderstorms going through the daytime hours today. And they could linger, these showers could linger across northern Arizona even into tomorrow. The watch warning map, we've got a wind advisory with that passing area of low pressure, mainly to the north and west of us across the Mojave Desert, northwest Arizona, around the Las Vegas Valley. A winter storm watch further to the north and west as well. Yes, there will be some snowflakes flying with this also. Convective outlook for today. While we don't anticipate any organized severe weather, some thunder possible here across Arizona and some of the adjacent states. And we'll see that at least through the afternoon. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through next Saturday morning. Rain amounts in Phoenix. Yes, we could still see another third of an inch or so. This includes what's coming down right now. And mainly this will end after tonight. Again, there could be a passing shower tomorrow, but we expect those mainly north of the Phoenix area. We'll get into the details of this forecast right now. To do that, we'll check out the models. Here we go. The GFS. This is the 06Z run, and it's valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough moving through the western states. And what it all means for us down at the surface for the rest of the day today, mostly cloudy skies, showers, isolated thunderstorms this morning, then decreasing. Still, we'll keep that chance of showers going even into the afternoon. And again, thunder possible if we get the sun breaking out with the dynamic support around. We could hear a rumble of thunder or two this afternoon. High temperatures today will be a bit cooler than we've seen in recent days, generally low to mid 70s. Now for tonight, again, an isolated shower in the evening, then decreasing clouds, lows mostly in the 50s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly sunny by the afternoon. Some isolated showers still possible across northern and eastern Arizona, the Four Corners region. High temperatures tomorrow should still be somewhere in the mid 70s. Now, drier air is going to work its way in after tomorrow night. So we'll start to see low temperatures plummet a bit here back toward the mid 40s to low 50s for Monday morning. And high temperatures on Monday, generally in the mid 70s. And that's pretty much where we're going to be for the week ahead. Highs on most days anywhere between about 73 to 78 on Tuesday and Wednesday with mostly sunny sky. Let's take a look at that Thanksgiving Day forecast now. Everybody wants to know what's going on Thanksgiving Day. And at this point, looks like there's an area of low pressure moving up the east coast of the United States. Some rain, a little bit of snow as well. So it could be kind of a messy day for places like Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City, Pittsburgh, and moving up toward central and upstate New York eventually. We'll watch this, of course. We've seen a number of different solutions, but that looks to be the case. We also have an area of low pressure coming into the western states, a trough coming in with some rain and mountain snow to the north of Arizona. But the day here for Phoenix on Thanksgiving still looks absolutely delightful, partly cloudy sky, high temperatures somewhere in the low to mid 70s. Now here's Friday. and a trough coming in. We do even show a few showers on the board here, at least according to the GFS, across central and eastern Arizona. I think for Phoenix, we're probably going to stay dry at this stage, but high temperatures on Friday could drop toward the upper 60s to low 70s if this works out. So some cooler air coming in, and lows for most of us could get down in the 40s. So this might be our coolest period we've had in about 8 or 9 months. So that looks pretty nice. And then a week from today, this is Saturday, the 25th, we've got this positively tilted trough coming into the southwest. The GFS shows at least some chance of some light rain if this verifies. And temperatures would be down. Again, we'd probably have highs somewhere in the upper 60s, maybe near 70. And so that looks pretty good. So cooler, maybe somewhat unsettled weather coming in here. And then going out 10 days, this is Monday, the 27th. And again, model solutions really diverge here, but evidence that there could be a pretty prominent upper low, kind of similar to what we have now, except this one a little further to the south and pulling in some moisture. So we could see another round of rain out here way out toward the end of this forecast period by about the end of next weekend or the start of the following week. But of course, what do I always tell you? This is 10 days out and highly subject to change. But let's take a look at rainfall for Phoenix off of the GFS ensemble. This goes out through the 2nd of December. And rain amounts, at least the mean here is around a third or just over a third of an inch. The European ensemble, a little bit more interesting. It's got the ensemble mean over an inch. And you got individual members here at 2, 3, 4 inches, denoting quite a bit of unsettled weather expected. There's a cluster of the European ensemble set that shows a substantial increase in moisture over the greater Southwest by about 10 days and beyond. So to wrap up the month of November and heading into December. That's very interesting. We will watch this model trend. This is a clear trend that is developing on the European. And checking out temperatures off the national blend of models, the overall trend is down. And by later this month, after Thanksgiving and moving into the last few days of November, highs right around 70 with lows around 50. And again, many of us could be down in the 40s on several mornings out here after Thanksgiving. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here on Monday morning, but of course, updates before that if necessary. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And if you really like what we do here, of course, you can always click that thanks icon below the video here on YouTube and donate to us monetarily. Every single dollar helps to keep these videos going, and we really do appreciate that. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the sleepiest of all time right now. Yes, she has the good sense to be sound asleep at this hour while I'm up talking weather, being a weather dork. Anyway, the Asian sensation, she's also the proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona. I'm talking about my Michelle, so I want you to go check her out. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. All of your continued support, so greatly appreciated. Please be safe out there, enjoy the rain, and have yourselves a beautiful Saturday.